Hello lovely people, how are y'all doing today? Today on How Hacks we are going to see something that will make life a little easy. We are going to discuss how to cook the potatoes in under 5 minutes, exactly under 5 minutes. Well, is it really possible? Yes, it is possible. Most of us love mashed potatoes. We add potatoes to gravy, and let me tell you, this is not only for potatoes. You can use this hack even for sweet potatoes. So let's look into what is this hack that will get your potatoes cooked in less than 5 minutes. Stay with me and we'll walk through the hack. So here are the washed potatoes. I'll place them inside the microwave. Friends, if y'all want, y'all can just put a slit across. It will help y'all to remove the skin, peel the skin easily. If not, you can just leave it in the same way that I have done. Now let's close the door of the microwave and place the temperature settings to 5 minutes. So we'll wait halfway through. Since I have already got the fragrance of the potato being cooked, I'll just open to see midway if it's done. So taking a knife, I will try to poke through the potato to see if it's cooked. Can you see the skin of the potato, how it's loosened up? This basically is an indication that it is already cooked. Both the potatoes are well cooked. So now what you could do is just remove it and enjoy them in the desired way that you like to have them. So friends, that's all on this hack for today. Hope you all liked it. Do let me know what do you all have to say about it. It is completely unique. I don't think so I have seen anybody boil their potatoes in this way, get them cooked in this way. It is quick, not time consuming, especially when you have your kids. I know my daughter, she loves having fried potatoes as her breakfast, or even she loves mashed potatoes. So when she's like, Mom, I want to have mashed potatoes, but I'm like, okay, you don't have to take all that headache of going through boiling the potatoes and waiting for 15 to 20 minutes till it's cooked well and nothing. Just wash them, put them in your microwave, and they're less than 5 minutes and your potatoes are cooked well. You can then make mashed potatoes or add them to the gravy. That's your choice. So this is an easy technique to have your potatoes cooked. Let me know how did you like this hack. Hope you have enjoyed it. Do share it with others, because you never know who is running in a rush of time and wants to have an easier way to cook their stuff out. And a request as always, for those of you all who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification icon, the bell icon that you see. Yes, exactly. Click on that bell icon so that you will get notifications each and every time I post a hacks video. I'll see you friends then next time on another new episode of How Hacks.